Wall Street Bets is back at it again, pumping meme stocks like a group of apes just ready to board that rocket ship to the moon. But this time it didn't go as well as it did before. I'm sure some of you probably already know the story of GameStop, how a couple thousand people were talking about it on Wall Street Bets, and they recognized a short squeeze, then somehow convinced millions of retail investors to throw their money into GameStop, pumping the stock price over $400 a share. And the reason why I'm telling you this is I actually bought GameStop at a good price during that time. I think I bought it around $20 or so. Sold it for like $40 and made about a 50% profit. But then as you know, a couple weeks later, the stock price surged over 1,000%, so I totally missed out on 1,000% gains. But I only trade a couple shares at a time with these meme stocks, so I only made about $60 and missed out on maybe another extra $100. But I wanted to do it again and take this opportunity to make that 1,000% gains with the next meme stock, which of course was Bed Bath & Beyond. So I bought a couple shares of Bed Bath & Beyond at around $8 per share, and then a couple days later it surged over 200% at around $26, $27 per share. And just like the apes on Wall Street Bets, I started getting FOMO, so I bought one more share at around $24, $25. And then of course, the next day, the hedge fund manager Ryan Cohen, one of the biggest stakeholders in Bed Bath & Beyond, sells his entire stake of Bed Bath & Beyond, making the stock price plunge 50%. So I guess the moral of these two stories is don't invest in meme stocks. And if you do, just take your profits and then don't look at the stock price ever again. For those of you who have seen my other videos, you know I like to focus on growth ETFs and growth stocks, as well as dividend paying stocks and ETFs to keep my account pretty diversified and safe, but still getting those solid 10, 15+% returns every year. But sometimes it is fun to play the casino and buy a couple shares of the meme stocks. As you just saw, I only like to buy a couple shares of these meme stocks and not put in more than like $30 or $40 at a time. Again, it is pretty fun to see what they do, but I don't recommend putting more than just a couple dollars into these meme stocks, buying just a few shares at a time, and really just focus on the safe investments. Like I always say, buying those long-term growth stocks and ETFs to keep your account growing over time, rather than trading options and dumping thousands of dollars into meme stocks. I follow this guy on Instagram, and at one point he had $110,000 in his Robinhood account, and now as of today, he just posted a screenshot. He posts every single day or something like that, or every other day, a screenshot of his Robinhood account, and now he's literally down to $14,000. And I'm guessing he just got kind of greedy and wanted to trade that $100,000 to $1 million by trading options and buying meme stocks and just kind of buying into hype, and it did not work out well for him at all. And I'm over here thinking, dude, if you would have just put that $110,000 into VOO or VTI, or even just Apple and Microsoft, sure, you'd probably still be down this year, maybe 5 to 10%. But being down 5-10% is still better than being down 99%. And I'm not saying this to make fun of the guy, I'm just saying that greed is a real thing, and if you're not careful, you can easily lose thousands and thousands of dollars. I've been there before and it's really not fun. That's why it's so important to just focus on long-term growth and investing. So I personally focus on the basic fundamentals of long-term investing by adding money into your investing account every so often, dollar cost averaging, and focusing on buying those growth stocks and ETFs that will keep your account safe but will still grow over time. And hopefully I, as well as you, can get to that $100,000 in your investment account to kickstart your investing career. I hope you guys learned something from my video. I really do enjoy making content like this, so I hope to catch you later. See ya.